for taking us through the headlines. Viewers, you're watching Times Now. I'm Meenakshi Upreti. We're starting the bulletin with a big breaking news, which is coming at the top of this bulletin. So this is about the CEC Ganesh Kumar's visit in West Bengal. Remember, this is day 2 of his visit, which was marked by a lot of drama. What really happened there, viewers? A massive crowd basically gathered in front of a temple. That crowd basically waved black flags at the CEC's convoy. You can see those visuals as well on your screen. So basically, CEC's visit was marked by protest, by drama. This is day 2 of CEC's visit to Bengal. You can see those dramatic visuals playing on your screens as well. Black flags basically were shown to the CEC. High drama during his visit. Ridhita is joining us live on the broadcast. Ridhita, high drama during CEC's visit. Obviously, the tensions between the CEC and the Mamata government had already reached a crescendo. It's only going to add up to it. Take us through who exactly are these protesters, the crowd which is protesting. Do we know anything about their affiliation? Is it a TMC affiliated crowd?
Well, absolutely. Yesterday, a day full of meetings had gone on where we had seen that TMC, BJP, Congress and all the other 7 affiliated parties had come, and there was a heated conversation exchange between TMC and the EC, between Ganesh Kumar and TMC. And today, while he came to Belur Math and later to Dakshineshwar temple to offer his prayers, you can see that huge number of protesters had lined outside. At this point, also behind me, as my camera person shows you, protesters are lined on, but all these protesters, they claim that their affiliation to be common men, they say that their democratic right has been snatched away. They completely say that in the name of logical discrepancies, their names have been chopped off, and therefore they're demanding Ganesh Kumar to go back. But on their posters, as I read to you, you see it is written "Go back Ganesh Kumar," and also in various other posters there was written "Go back Vanish Kumar." Now this name Vanish Kumar has been repeatedly uttered by the Chief Minister of the state and the TMC party, who has been claiming that they are vanishing the names. Even though we are not clear about what this group of people or who these protesters are or which side they are affiliated to, but the statements imprinted in their posters make a huge statement or makes a symbol at this point. Even though protesters, they claim themselves to be common men belonging from various professions like an advocate or a teacher like that, and they say that their names are chopped out only in the name of logical discrepancies. They say even after their parents or their grandparents' name have been mapped out in the list, right, but their names are not coming. And this is something, a conspiracy which the CEC is playing with them, and they are soft targeting Bengal, which the state government or the TMC party has been reiterating. So on the same words and the notes, we have seen protests which has been led out outside the Dakshineshwar temple today, and also in the same note.
Are you at the protest side? I can see some people behind you, placards if I'm correct. Can you show us the scenes if you are present at the site of the protest?
Absolutely. If I show you, this is the mandir where the Ganesh Kumar at that point had come, and this entire area had been filled with protesters. At this point also, you see various protesters who have been standing. They had been carrying the black flags, huge deployment of police as the CEC leaves the spot towards his hotel in Westin, where meetings today also will be high-packed. Meetings will also be held today, and he will end the meeting today with a press conference and then depart for Delhi. Today morning he had come to Dakshineshwar temple to offer his prayer, but he was again amidst this crowd in 2 sides of the roads. As I show you, were these protesters lined up with black flags and "Go back" slogans. They were also chanting this and asking for their rights. You can see the heavy deployment of police, but irrespective of the heavy deployment of police, nobody moved the protesters aside. They were standing amidst this. They were given the protection of guardrails, and then from there they had been screaming. Police did not play a major role. Yesterday in Kalighat also we had seen the same situation, where police did not play a major role in moving out the protesters, but a section was given for them to make the protest. And today also we have seen the same situation arising in Dakshineshwar temple. where the CSC had just come half an hour back to offer his prayer, and he now has left for hosting to hold the high-packed meeting that is awaited today.
Drama, black flag shown to the CEC. Obviously, those visuals also which we are showing our viewers. Thank you, Ridhita, for joining us with all these details. Viewers, we are shifting our focus now to